Hello everyone, my name is Sitanderpal Singh and I am from Jammu and Kashmir. I have completed my BTech in Computer Science Engineering from JSPM RSCOE Pune. It is a college affiliated to SPPU, Savitribai Phule Pune University. So my graduation completion year was 2024. So after completing my graduation, I was working in a non-technical role due to some circumstances. But after working there for an year, I came to a realization that I should again switch my career in IT field only. So during this journey, I came to know about Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd. So I came to know about they offer an internship program which also offers you an placement after the completion of that internship. So I joined that internship and I have learned various modules in that internship like networking from basic to advanced and CCNA, ITIL, Windows administration, some details about operating systems, Windows Server, and many more other concepts and modules were there. So we have not just theoretically learned all these concepts, but we have also just practically implemented all these concepts so that we can implement all these concepts in a real time environment as well. Also, this internship has been completed at my end, and I am also happy to share with you all that I also have an offer from a company named Team Computer with an offer of 3,80,000 LPA. So if you are in someone who is a working professional or who is working in a non-IT field, wants to switch his or her career in IT field, they can surely join Evision. Or if you are a fresher who wants to kickstart his career in IT field, you can surely join Evision. They will help you in each and every step. So at the end, I would like to thank the whole Evision team. Special thanks to Mr. Ganesh sir, Sati ma'am, Priya ma'am, Gulnaz ma'am, Mr. Prasenjit sir, and Rahul Das sir, and the whole Evision team. Thank you for providing me this opportunity. Thank you for preparing me for this opportunity.